Today we're going to read about farmyard fun. Let's start. Okay, all our brains, you remember them? Meta thinking, creating, analyzing, linking, and this one you use today, please realizing. You should know all the sounds by now. We've learned this year. Okay, first we start revising and practicing our sounds. J, v, w, x, y, z, z, qua, ch, sh, v, m, a, e, I, o, u, r, u, or, and our tricky words. He, she, we, me, be, was, my, he. Well done. Now, I read together with you because it's a lot, right? All together now. It was the school holidays, and Kit and Sam were off to the farmyard to help out. I can't wait to see what Farmer Gale has got planned for us, said Kit as he began to pack his rucksack. Now we have to pack the rucksack, and let's see what we need. We need to read the words. Okay, we take thin socks. Yes? Yes, we do. We take cash. Yes, we do. We take a hat and boots. Yep. And tool. Nice one. I'm glad we wrote notes the last time we went, said Kit. Me too, said Sam. Can you remember what Farmer Gale taught us? Let's check, said Kit. Now we have to have a look what notes they wrote down. We will read together. W, L. Blended. Wool. Wool. Let's check it. Yes, wool. Ooh. Blended together. Hoof. Let's check. Very good. Art. Cart. Cart. R. At. Blended. Market. Market. Let's see how it looks. Lovely market. Or. Fork. Or. Blend it with me. Corn. Well done. Farmer Gale was waiting for Kit and Sam when they arrived at the farmyard. "Welcome back, my young farmers in training," she said. "I have lots for you to help with today." Now, we have to have a look at the sentences and then we find out what they have to help the farmer. Yay, read together. Farmyard fun. We need to feed the chicken with corn. Check the hoof of the goat. It's a good goat. Get the wool of the sheep. Chop up the wood. Get my cart. "Thank you for all your help today," said Farmer Gale. "Please, may we come back again soon," said Kit and Sam. "Any time you like," said Farmer Gale. Kit and Sam cheered. Hooray! Now today we've blended lovely the sounds together. I'm very, very proud of you. Well done.